What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So I have a very interesting product which I want to show you guys inside this video, which is the portable torch projector Snoot from WELLMAKIng. Now WELLMAKIng did send this out to me to make my video of this product right here, which I'm going to show you guys everything that you guys need to know about this product right here. I'm going to show you guys what's coming inside. Inside the package right here, we have WELLMAKIng torch or Snoot projector. It has a USB A and C port for charging. Now the head piece of the projector is somehow detachable, so you can actually screw off this piece right here. Now it's a very solid build. I like how the design of this right here looks and it feels. Inside the package we also have the USB A to USB C for charging, and also we have the power brick right here, which is the USB A. Also in the package we have 20 pieces of projector, which also includes some different colors inside. Now in the package it comes with different attachment as well that you can stock in front of your lens to give it different shape, different color, and this grip allows you to keep the lens filters in place. So if you are a person who is into photography, videography, and you want to enhance your video experience or photo experience with it inside your studio like this, to get some nice looking backdrop, or if you're doing photos and you want to have those unique style in your photos, I think this is one of the right device that you guys should have. And this is the Snoot right here. Now it has a bit amount of weight to it, so it's quite heavy. So onto the part right here, you can see you can press one button and it's on. So inside right here we have 20 pieces of different shapes that we can choose from. We have a lot of different shapes in here, which I'm going to try and show you guys. Now the thing though with this, colors that we can change from, as you guys can see right here, we have red, blue, yellow and green, so we can change them into different colors which you want right here. Now a thing though, I wish that it would have come with a built-in color which we could have changed it, but we got these right here, so hopefully you don't lose them. Also with this right here we have a lot of different shapes, as you can see right here, which I'm going to try a few and just show you guys. Now this is the top part right here, so what we can do, we can just choose a filter that we want, so we can put it right into this, just like so, and then we'll just stick it into this right here. As you guys can see, you can turn it on, and as you guys see right there guys, it projected onto our background. To focus, you guys can see right there, and that's how it looks. But the thing though with it, we can mount this on a stand, because we have a quarter thread mounting on this right here, as you guys can see, so we can mount this on the stand, and it comes with a rechargeable battery inside, so we can actually charge this up whenever we need it to charge. So the lux on this is 35,000. It has a output of 40 watts, so it can use indoor like this. So if you want to use it outdoor, you might have to get a higher power to overpower the sun and things like that. But 40 watt right here is really great, it's really bright, so you don't have to worry about using this right here inside the studio. And also the working time of this can carry about 6 hours on the highest level. We know that this right here can go on dim, bright. So as you guys can see right there, that's how it looks inside my background. So this right here is a great device if you guys are into videography, photography, and want to enhance your experience with your video and stuff like that. So let me know if this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.